Here we're going to fix a window motor. As you can see, this gear in here, 2D's up, so we're just going to burn these like so. Not recommended, do not try this at home. And see, that's the reason for burning those, because you can't really get in there very well without taking everything off, and a little bit of a shortcut. So we're going to wire these together, and that's the only tape we got, but hopefully I get the window up before it rains. Oh. Never seen anything like it. Got loose connections. That was chewed up by a gear. 2 loose connections up there. Oh, where? These. Come on. Those 2 were loose. That was chewed up by a gear. And the connections back there are loose. So, that gear must have ripped everything loose. You can see it. Oh, I love this 89 Lincoln. I mean, they just don't make them like they used to. I mean, you got that, all that room, you don't feel a single bump. You got the 5-liter. You got the Mustang engine. Problem is, with older vehicles, you got all these rotten hoses and everything. And here's a good trick I found. You got an old split hose, you get some gasket maker, and the small tubes. It'll fix just about any leak as long as you get the high temp. I just replaced some kind of external thermostat. Apparently there's like 3 of them on this vehicle, but had a little bit of a rattle or something, because the heating issue. I'm still having a heating issue, so just removed the main thermostat so the heat doesn't work. You put a new seal in there, it won't heat up, and better for the engine, you know, if you got overheating issues, you know, cheap fix.